Hello, Wolfgang Croskey here, and I want to share with you a little bit about the services that we offer at Croskey Real Estate. So, we do real estate sales. We can help you list your property, we can help you buy more rental properties, but then we also help you manage it. And unlike a lot of brokerages that say, oh, we help you sell and we help you manage, we have specialists for both categories. So, it's not just, jack of all trades, master of none. On our management side, we have three levels of service. The first one is our tenant placement only. So if you're great at managing your property, maybe you live out of state and you just don't have a way to conveniently show your rentals, advertise them, keep up with all the trends in regards to SEO and social media, and then screen the tenants and do the move in, you can hire us and we can do that for you. It's a one-time service, and there's no contractual obligation to have us do management after. So that is our tenant placement only service. That service, like I said, is great. If you're already doing well at management, you have vendors in place, you have a way to collect rents, and you just need boots on the ground to help you with the advertising, showing, doing the move in, that would be the service for you. If you're wanting to buy back more of your time and have us take more of the burden of being a landlord, then our standard level of service is 8% of the collected rent. We don't collect rent, we don't get paid. And for that, we will go ahead and do all the day to day operations of the property, collect the rent, deal with tenant requests, deal with work orders. If your property is located in a city that has like a residential rental inspection program or business license, we will do the paperwork, get that filed for you. We do condition assessments on the property every 6 months. So we'll actually go look at the property, make sure that everything's fine, look at it for any maintenance items that need to be done, make sure that your resident is happy and everything's going well. We will then prepare your end of year accounting paperwork, and that helps you and your CPA make sure that everything is organized and is accounted for. So that's our standard level of service. And the vast majority of the housing providers we work with enjoy that level of service. If you're wanting just a little bit more, maybe you want some more assurances, we have our premium level service, which includes everything in our regular service. But then we work with a company called Sure Investor, which then provides you some additional coverage. So they'll cover loss of rent if your tenant just skips town. They'll cover the eviction costs. They'll provide some additional liability insurance coverage. And they'll also cover, which a lot of homeowner policies or landlord policies don't cover, would be malicious damage. Tenants gets mad, they trash the property, and they bail. There'd be some coverage for you. So if that sounds like something that you're interested in, that is 12% of the collected rent. So again, three levels of service. Our lease only service, basically, you need us to help you find a tenant, get them placed. We have our standard level of service, which covers all the day-to-day operations, and it gives you a discount on the tenant placement service. We cut our fee in half. And then our premium service again covers all of the standard level, but then adds the SureVestor product, which provides you some additional assurances in the event that things maybe don't go so well. As a management company, we can't guarantee you that your tenants won't trash the place. What we can guarantee you, though, is that we execute a good lease agreement. We keep tabs on the property, and when something's not right, we take action quickly. So, we'd love to speak more about these services and find the right one that fits your needs. So, please give us a call, 925-336-3282, or if you want, you can go ahead and fill out the contact form on our website at crosskeypm.com. Looking forward to working with you.